Another day, another story. Title: Unity Day Celebration. Genre: comedy, drama. Setting: a small town park, adorned with decorations in celebration of Unity Day, an alternative to Independence Day. Characters: 1. Alex, a quirky event organizer. 2. Emma, a skeptical but curious resident. 3. Mayor Johnson, the town's optimistic and enthusiastic mayor. 4. Mr. Smith, an old-school traditionalist. Scene 1: Town Park. Alex is setting up a colorful banner that reads, Unity Day Celebration, in the park. Emma approaches with a raised eyebrow. Emma, crossing her arms, Unity Day? Seriously? Alex, grinning. Yup, Emma. No more celebrating just one nation's independence. It's time for unity among all nations. Emma chuckles, and how are you planning to achieve that? Alex, holding up a globe, with a cultural exchange fair. Food, music, and traditions from around the world, all in one place. Scene 2: Food stalls. Various food stalls are set up, each representing a different country. Emma tries some exotic dishes. Emma, surprised, okay, this Japanese sushi is actually pretty good. Alex, wearing a sombrero, and check out these Mexican churros. Scene 3: Music stage. Performers from different countries showcase their music and dance. Emma, tapping her foot, I never thought I'd be dancing to Indian Bhangra music. Alex, dressed as a Scottish Highlander, and now, a bagpipe performance like you've never seen before. Scene 4: Mayor's speech. Mayor Johnson takes the stage. Mayor Johnson, passionately, ladies and gentlemen, today we celebrate not just one nation's history, but the rich tapestry of our global community. Let's embrace our differences and come together in unity. Scene 5: Traditionalist's dilemma. Mr. Smith approaches a booth selling international flags. Mr. Smith, muttering, Unity Day, buys a traditional flag. Alex, sad face, smiling. Mr. Smith, why not try something new? Expand your horizons. Mr. Smith hesitates, then grins. Well, I suppose trying a French croissant wouldn't hurt. Scene 6: Conclusion. The event ends with people mingling, laughing, and sharing stories. Emma, smiling. You know, Alex, Unity Day might not be such a bad idea after all. Alex, sad face, grinning. That's the spirit, Emma. Unity and diversity is what makes our world beautiful. As the sun sets, the town park is aglow with unity and happiness. End. Note: this script aims to highlight the concept of unity among different cultures and nations. It combines comedic elements with a message of embracing diversity, making it suitable for a light-hearted celebration event. Feel free to adapt and modify the script to suit your needs. Thanks for watching.